Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing what I put in my first aid and medical travel kit that I take when I go cruising. I like to be prepared when I'm traveling, especially when I'm on a cruise. So I bring all of the items that I think I may need, but obviously hope I don't, just so that I'm prepared in case I do need them or my husband needs them while we're traveling. When you're on a cruise, it's sometimes very difficult to purchase items that you want. It's also way more expensive on a cruise, like way more expensive. Anything that you want to buy is marked up because you're on a cruise. Where else are you going to go? This is what's in my kit, and I'm gonna take you through it now. I like to bring my items in some sort of packing cube or case so that they can all stay together. The first things that I would suggest bringing are antibacterial wipes and Purell. These are really important because the cruise ships are basically just infested with germs because people come on board, they could be sick, and you just want to make sure that you are always wiping things down and sanitizing your hands to stay healthy on your vacation. The next thing I like to bring are Tums. These ones are for your purse or pocket, and then I like to bring a big bottle just in case I have an upset stomach and leave these in my cabin. On the same kind of wavelength, I also bring Pepto and Imodium because if you eat something that really upsets your stomach, you might want to have these on hand as well. And these Pepto-Bismols are actually really handy because they come in these little strips. So basically you can just put one of these in your pocket or in your purse or backpack, and it's really easy to take with you when you're off exploring in port. Allergy medication, because you don't know if you're going to have a reaction to something you eat or get a bug bite or something, and you just want to be prepared with some allergy medication in case. Solarcaine. This is really good for cuts, burns, scrapes, etc. Oh, sunburns. It's also really good for sunburns. Definitely bring a Solarcaine, is essential in my kit. For somebody who gets motion sickness while traveling, me, I always bring a variation of products with me. These are patches that go behind your ear and are specifically for motion sickness. You can see there's a ship, a plane, car, train, etc. on here. So these help you balance your inner ear. Also, I'm not a doctor, so I cannot offer you any sort of medical advice. I'm just telling you what I do, and maybe these tips will be helpful for you. So I'll carry on with my spiel now. So these Transdermal Patches are really essential in my kit. These are motion sickness pills, and then ginger gravel. So this is just if I'm not feeling well, so I like to bring these with me as well. Off. I know this technically isn't a medication or a first aid item, but I like to bring this if I'm going somewhere tropical, if there might be mosquitoes. And if you do get bitten by a bug, you have Hydrocortisone Cream and Afterbite. It's good to have these on hand just in case. A first aid kit. It has Band-Aids, gauze, alcohol wipes, and other items in here to help just in case you do get injured, you need some sort of bandage for a wound. Definitely always have a first aid kit on hand. And then I like to bring Advil Cold and Sinus and plain Advil. I'll also use Tylenol Cold or regular Tylenol. I'm not partial, this is just what I have right now. And the last two items are cough drops. So I like to bring cough drops with me because if I have a scratchy throat from the plane, the dry air in the cabins, these are just always good to have on hand. And I noticed on my last cruise that cough drops were like $6 for a small package of cough drops. So that's it. That's everything that I take with me on my cruise. When I am traveling, I like to be very prepared, as you can see, but these items have all come in handy in the past, so I will continue to bring them, even though I hope I don't need them, for all of my travels, especially cruises, in the future. If you have tips or items that you like to bring, please share them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you take with you on your vacations, because maybe I can find something else to add to my kit. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more travel-related videos very soon.